Hi, this is Sean. I'm one of the salesmen here at Byrider in Green Bay with just a few friendly reminders for getting your vehicle ready for winter so you won't have to brave the cold weather without your warm vehicle backing you up. Check your windshield washer fluid, wherever that might be in the vehicle. Antifreeze, make sure that's stone cold before you check it so it doesn't blow up in your face. Your oil, your transmission fluid, you check this warm while it's running, usually, and you check this after it's been turned off for at least 5 minutes. You want to make sure that it's, and then usually the cap tells you the type of oil, the weight of oil you want to have in there. Then your filter, if you want to change that, your brake fluid. And if you don't have tire pressure monitoring system and you want to check the tire pressure on your own, the cars usually have a sticker right here which will tell you the tire pressure you want to have for in your tires. So good luck this winter.